Hi, it's Emilio. Today we're going to install an innovative infant car seat that is also a stroller. It's our Duna stroller system. I want to install the base first in the vehicle so it's easier for you to understand how simple this system can be for you to have one unit as a stroller, as a car seat to get you started. Here's our Duna infant car seat base. It has a pivot knob on the front to adjust it. I've previously adjusted it so it's at the perfect level. All you have to do is kind of pull the strap, lock it into place there. Same thing on the other side. Here's our anchor. Go into its position, lock it into place there. Then you have only one angle to pull from. I like to slide my finger in here, let it pull tight. Once it's in place, nice and tight, give it a good tug. It doesn't move any longer. Then I could just grab my stroller seat and we'll show you how the stroller infant car seat, which is now a stroller, can connect to this base. Hi, it's Emilio. Today we have our Duna infant travel system. It's an all-in-one unit where it's an infant car seat and a stroller all in one. We're going to demo it in a real-life scenario to put it in our vehicle. It's really, really nice and compact, and you don't ever have to mess with the baby. It's really a unique piece. Just kind of stroll up, very simple, open up your car door, it's ready for you to put into place. Lower a handle, slide it forward. This infant car seat is good, newborn to 35 pounds. The only thing I have to really do is pull on the rear lever, lock the wheels down, and install it into our car. Once it's locked and in position, it's a very simple unit to remove as well. So the baby's always been strapped in. We haven't really messed with the baby. All I have to do is kind of push the button in the back, release it. Once I bring it out of the vehicle, I pull the same lever in the back. The wheels slide out, put it down to the ground, pivot the handle forward, and extend it for easy strolling. Our Duna infant travel system is a simple one compact unit that allows you to use it as a car seat and as a stroller from newborn to 35 pounds. We love our Duna travel system. We're a great promoter of it. Don't forget to follow us, subscribe, ask any questions below. BAMBaby.com has full product line in stock and ready for your purchasing. Thank you for watching.